Boosters, welcome back to a brand new video. This video won't be too long as it is a very simple strategy. I'm gonna just show you guys how it works. So we've got two indicators, our Heikin indicator and our CCI indicator. All right, now how this works is this needs to be in confluence with the Heikin indicator needs to be in confluence with our CCI. So when our CCI is oversold, we are looking for a buy opportunity in confluence with the Heikin. You can see our Heikin is on our red, it's on our green area, and when it is on our green area, we're looking for buys, and when it is in our red area, we're looking for sells. So let me just show you guys a few examples. As you can see, we had a buy opportunity right here. CCI went down, oversold, came back right in, and we're looking for a buy opportunity right there, and we take a buy somewhere here. All right, cool. Let's look for another example. You can see we had an oversold area here, and we had a red candle pop up here. As you can see, that was a nice sell opportunity there that you could have taken. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, those are the two buy and sell opportunities that I've found so far, but there are many along the way. I would say this is a high win rate strategy with a pretty good risk to reward, as you can see. So make sure to try it out, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.